Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to clone in Snapseed. Snapseed does not have a dedicated clone tool that lets you directly copy and paste an object within the photo. However, you can achieve a similar effect using double exposure. First of all, tap Open Snapseed application. Tap on the middle of the screen where it says plus and select an image you would like to use and edit. After you select your image, click on the Tools option at the bottom of the screen. Now, scroll down and tap on Double Exposure. Click on the plus button with image icon in it at the bottom left corner and select an image containing the object you want to clone. It can be a person or an animal from your camera roll or photo library. Go ahead and choose your clone image, and then this will overlap and cover the area of your image completely. To create more transparent or faded effect for the clone, go to the bottom of the screen and click on the opacity button. Now drag the slider left or right in order to make the images less or more visible. After you do that, carefully position the second image and create the illusion of the same object appearing twice on your photo. Now, you can also click on this little eraser kind of an icon and then select other option in it so that you can make the picture look more real and blended. After you are happy with your result, go ahead and tap on the tick mark at the bottom right in order to save your changes, and that is the only way you will be able to clone on Snapseed. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.